The Crystal Cabin Award was initiated 4 years ago to encourage and recognize innovations from aircraft interiors organizations like manufacturers, research groups, and educational institutions. The goal is to motivate people to look into the future for new product designs that both improve the customer experience and bring commercial benefits to the aviation industry. The Crystal Cabin Award is more than just a pat on the back and a nice trophy. This award can be, and has been, a springboard for launching winning designs from a concept, a prototype, or an initial offering into full production products, successful products that are accepted by airlines and are impacting the industry. Let's take a look at last year's winners to see where they are now. In 2009, there were 6 award categories. In the entertainment and communication category, the judging panel looks for entries that bring a better entertainment experience to the customer, or improve ways of communicating within the passenger cabin. Lufthansa Technik's system got high marks from the judges, who felt that it really enhanced the current moving map and cabin information systems. It takes this medium to a new level as it displays detailed and high-resolution 3-dimensional moving maps from alternate viewing angles. In addition, it is capable of integrating safety briefings, visual announcements, and advertisements at the airline's option. Today, the Niceview system is in service with airlines and on private jets. Entrants in the greener cabin, health and safety category include product designs that improve personal safety or address the growing regulatory and public sentiment for a greener aircraft. The judges look for innovations that satisfy one or more of these areas without having a big impact on the economics. Boeing took this award with their recyclable carpet concept, which uses lightweight square and rectangular tiles rather than the rolled carpet stock in the cabin. The tiles are manufactured without the use of harmful chemicals and are recyclable into carpet rather than burning the waste or dumping it into landfills. It reduces advanced cutting and onboard fitting, as well as reducing the number of part numbers. Premature wear and damage can be dealt with by replacing single tiles rather than whole sections. This all reduces waste, labor, and aircraft out of service time. Boeing's carpet is currently doing an in-service evaluation on a U.S. carrier's 737-800 aircraft. Entrants in the passenger comfort category are required to display improved levels of customer comfort within the cabin for all or specific groups of customers. Recaro cinched this category with its Comfort Line 3620 seating system. Designed for use in economy class on long-haul flights, this entry has an innovative single-beam seat frame which translates into more living space for the customer. The single-beam concept has been a struggle for seat designers for a long time, and the judges were impressed with this version. This, together with Recaro's footnet system, hammock headrest, and articulated seat bottom, produce an innovative seating system with extraordinary comfort for an economy seat with a good weight advantage over conventional seats. Recaro's 3620 seat is already flying on A320s, A330s, A380s, and 747 aircraft. Recaro also won the industrial design category with its SL3510 seat, which is another innovation in lightweight economy seats geared towards short-haul markets. The materials and components category embraces an enormous variety of different aircraft components. The winning entries have to establish innovation in a material or a component, but they don't have to be part of a fully integrated system. BE Aerospace won last year with their vacuum toilet system. This system reduces component weight in the order of 35% through the use of composites and design simplification. They redesigned the rinse valve, the flush valve, the vacuum generator, and the air-water separator, which promise a 20% improvement in reliability. Operational recovery is improved by adding more line-replaceable parts and quick disconnect features. Soon, the BE Aerospace toilet system will be flying on several RJ models, and there are ongoing retrofit discussions with several major airlines. All the entries in the Crystal Cabin Award automatically compete for the Judges' Commendation Prize, with the winner determined by the judging panel in an open discussion. It's the judges' opportunity to reward an entry that hasn't won in this category, but is an outstanding idea or innovation. The last 3 years have seen entries from the largest of aerospace manufacturing companies through to the lone designer with a passion for aircraft interiors. The awards are designed to recognize and encompass both ends of the spectrum. Last year's Judges' Commendation Prize went to an engineering and design student named James Lee for his paperclip armrest concept. James's transversely offset double armrest allows for 2 adjacent customers to use the armrest simultaneously. It's so simple, but nobody ever thought of it before. No longer a student, we catch up with James Lee today.
I heard about the Crystal Cabin Awards through the Aircraft Interior International magazine, and well, I thought I have a good idea and I needed publicity, which is especially important to me as an independent designer because I don't have a backing of a large company, of experts, of marketing managers. So it's very hard to break into the market without the endorsement of a trusted body. A lot of aviation magazines picked up the news, and also at the awards I met a lot of useful contacts in the industry. So it was really useful for the promotion of my product. Winning the award has got me in touch with a lot of people who I wouldn't have known otherwise, but I'm currently more focused on the legal aspects to get the patent ready. But I'm also in touch with a few interested parties, so hopefully in the future when I enter an aircraft cabin I can actually see this product in there.
In times of economic challenges, it's really nice to hear about innovations and successes. Join us on Wednesday, May 19th at the Aircraft Interiors Expo in the Crystal Cabin Award Gallery to celebrate this year's winning entries.